Well, hi there. Welcome back to Andrew Asks YouTube channel, where we talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing. Hey, we're going to get right into it here in a minute, but just a couple quick things. I want you to just take a chance to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the like if you can, even the little bell, and you'll get notifications about my video. And I'm putting up about 2 or 3 videos a week now. So I'd like you to know about those when they happen. I really appreciate it. So a topic I wanted to talk about today was the idea of, do you need some more money for Christmas? Could you use a few $100, okay? I talked about starting an online business, starting affiliate marketing, but just kind of crossed my mind as we're into December now, that you know what kind of comes important is having a few extra bucks. So I did a little research and came up with some ideas that I think are some pretty doable ideas, okay? So one, depends on a little bit of your skill set. If you've got some skills in writing, reading, if you have a good voice, there's a lot of virtual assistance jobs. There's a lot of opportunity where you can work at home, make money by doing virtually what you might be doing in an office as well. There is also Fiverr is a great outlet. They allow people to put themselves out there and offer their services for as low as $5 and as high as $100 and some dollars. So there's a lot of different services on Fiverr, and I did a video on my YouTube channel about Fiverr and how I use them. Go back and check that one out if you get a chance, because it kind of ties it together. But those are just a couple things. Now, look around your house. I got stuff. I got hats. I got a drill sitting over there. You know, we got stuff in our houses we can sell. And I know it takes a little effort, but if we need cash, we can sell some things. Go out to the garage, check the basement, get rid of those old kid toys that they're not playing with anymore. You might find some of those kids' toys are worth a lot of money. Check Facebook Marketplace, that's free. Craigslist, that's free. You don't have to go on eBay and Amazon and stuff like that. Well, eBay, but you don't have to create any account like that if you already got a Facebook account. It's real simple. I sold a lot of stuff on Facebook Marketplace just to get a few extra bucks. Again, there's always Uber. If you have a car and you want to be out and about and you feel good about that, you can pick up an Uber drive. Looking to start your actual online business, that's where affiliate marketing comes in. That's what I've done. I started an affiliate marketing business. I went through the Legendary Marketer 15-day business challenge, and the tools I learned there, the skill set I learned there, with some skills I already brought to the table, gave me the confidence and the ability like I've never had before. And now I know I can go make extra money on some of these sites. I can go make extra money doing my skill set, but also the big picture is that I can make a living doing affiliate marketing right from my home and around my children, and it's peaceful and I just love it. So again, if you could hit that subscribe button, I'd really appreciate it. And if you would like this, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer those questions. If you're looking for an opportunity to jump in, there's an opportunity to click the 15-day My Challenge journey. Click that and you'll be taken right to the instructions, and you can sign up today. I hope you take a chance on yourself. I hope you step out of your comfort zone, and I hope some of these money-making ideas help you get through this Christmas year. And as I always say, let's go.